नमस्कार। आज हम पढ़ेंगे चैप्टर 11 साइंस ऑफ NCERT syllabus. Okay, so chapter 11 is light, shadows and reflections. This is the chapter name. So, class 6. This is of class 6. So, what is light? Whenever we say the word light, what comes into our mind? A bright light, bright white light may come into our mind, or a yellow light may come into our mind. So, whenever we think about light, a brightness comes into our mind. So, these two terms are also related with the light, shadow, reflections. शेडो जब लाइट होती है तो शेडो बनेगी और जब लाइट होगी तभी रिफ्लेक्शन भी आएगी. सो सपोज देयर इज अ बॉय, he is standing near the mirror and with his eyes, when he looks at the mirror, what happens? He can see his image in the mirror. So the image is formed in the mirror due to reflection. Formed due to reflection. And shadow, you can see shadow of this person on the place, on the ground, anywhere. This is called shadow. Okay, so shadow is always dark or black in color, but reflection, it is having same color as that of object. So this must be very clear. What is an object? Any object, any physical entity which exists in this world is called an object. Like I am an object, this pen is an object. इसको भी आप देख सकते हो, छू सकते हो, टच कर सकते हो और उसकी कुछ फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज होती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एन ऑब्जेक्ट. तो हर शेडो किसकी बनती है? जो ऑब्जेक्ट होता है उसकी शेडो बनती है. इमेज किसकी बनती है? इमेज भी उसी की बनती है जो फिजिकली ऑब्जेक्ट एग्जिस्ट करता है इस वर्ल्ड में. ओके, सो वी हैव सीन शेडो एंड रिफ्लेक्शन. सो टू हैव रिफ्लेक्शन और शेडो, टू थिंग्स आर रिक्वायर्ड. शेडो बनने के लिए भी और रिफ्लेक्शन के लिए भी दो चीजें रिक्वायर्ड होती हैं. टू थिंग्स आर रिक्वायर्ड. And what are those things? Those things are, one is object, another is light. So if any of the thing is missing, then no shadow will be formed, no reflection will be there. तो रिफ्लेक्शन के लिए, शेडो के लिए हमें हमेशा दो चीजें चाहिए होती है, एक ऑब्जेक्ट, अनदर इज लाइट. ओके, ऑब्जेक्ट्स, यू नो, many of the objects, they emit light from them. Those are called luminous object. Luminous object like sun which emit light is called an luminous object. Your torch is also luminous object. Okay, your electrical tube or electrical bulb, this is also called luminous object. So any object which generates light, which emit light, जिसमें से light निकलती है, that is called luminous object. Okay, so contrary to that, opposite to that, non-luminous objects are those objects which do not emit light, जो emit नहीं करते light को. You can think of stone, paper, Even moon. Moon does not have its own light. Okay. So these are luminous and non-luminous objects. Now we will see another category of the type of the. Now we will study different type of objects. Transparent. There are three type of objects in this category: transparent, opaque, translucent. So first, transparent are the objects through which we can see very clearly. You can think of example like polythene sheet, or when you are sitting in the car, you look outside. If your glasses are up, can you tell why? Because you can see through glasses, because glasses are transparent objects. Polythene sheet and so transparent objects are the objects through which you can see. Through which we can see clearly. Opaque. Opaque objects. Opaque are see at all, like your book, like your paper, like wall, like stone, anything other. Like if you are sitting in a room, you cannot see across the wall because wall is an opaque object. So opaque objects are object through which you cannot see. You cannot see at all. Translucent. Translucent are the objects through which you can see partially. थोड़ा थोड़ा देख सकते हो तुम इसके across. जैसे if there is rain, heavy rain going on and you are sitting in the car again, आप विंडो के बाहर ध्यान से देखो तो क्लियर नहीं दिखेगा. सेम है जब फॉग पड़ी हो तुम्हारी विंडो पे, तब अगर तुम देखो अपनी कार के बाहर तो नहीं तुम्हें क्लियर दिखेगा. फॉगी विंडो हो जाती है, फॉगी ग्लास हो जाता है. वैसे ही अगर आपकी पॉलीथीन शीट है, पॉलीथीन शीट अगर पुरानी हो चुकी है, धुंधली हो चुकी है, तो आप उसके अक्रॉस देखना चाहोगे, देन इवन यू आर नॉट एबल टू सी क्लियरली. So translucent objects are the objects through which you can see partially. So these are the three categories of the object: transparent, translucent and opaque. So you must make a list of the objects in your house and you should categorize them in transparent, opaque and translucent type. So now we are coming again back to the shadow. Okay, if I make shadow of anything, after looking at the shadow, you can easily tell me or tell anyone that which kind of object is this. Is this a bird or is it a line? Any kind of. So shape of the shadow tells us about the object of which it is formed. किस ऑब्जेक्ट की बनी है तो वो शेडो की शेप देख के पता चल जाता है हमें. ओके, नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज अ पिनहोल कैमरा. Before telling me how it is pinhole camera exactly is, have you ever gone through a area where trees are there and suppose you are crossing through the tree path and you can see, if there is a sunny day, you can see near the ground there are small images formed of the holes between the leaves. Suppose there are many leaves on the tree. Of course, there will be spaces. There will be spaces between among those leaves. So through that spaces, when light falls on the ground, through those spaces, then image is formed on the ground in somewhat manner. So that those spaces are working as pinhole cameras, very small spaces. So a pinhole camera is just a camera-like structure, a camera-like concept, which helps to create images when light passes through it. So pinhole means a very small, sharp, thin object. Hole means a place through which one can pass. Pinhole means a hole of the size pin through which when light passes, an image is formed. So that is the concept behind pinhole camera. So to create a pinhole camera, take a cardboard make a small hole at one of the side and remove the opposite side to the hole. Remove the card from here and cover it with any sheet, any translucent kind of paper. So when light will pass through it, it will form one image on this sheet. Like suppose if there is a tree here, and when light passes through tree, it passes through pinhole camera, then an image of tree will be formed here. Inverted image will be created. So pinhole camera is a camera kind of structure through which image is formed. But here you will notice that inverted image is formed. Why inverted image is formed? Because you will see that when light is passed through here, I will draw this diagram once again. Pass through here, light always passed in a straight line. So when light will pass through here, it will go straight up to here. And from here when light will pass, it will go up to here. So image will be formed in the reverse shape, inverted shape. Because the reason behind it, light always travels in straight path. It is also called rectilinear. So this is an inverted image created by the pinhole camera. So here I have created this image again so that it must be clear to you now. So this is the pinhole through which light passes and an inverted image is formed on the sheet, translucent kind of sheet. You can see, you can try even at your place. It's very easy experiment kind of a thing. So now we'll look into mirrors and reflection. You all know mirrors and reflections. Whenever there is no one in the world who does not see his face, smiley face in the mirror and doesn't get happy. So everybody sees his face. So when you look into the mirror, what happens? जब आप देखते हो, अगर बिल्कुल डार्क रूम में आप देखोगे शीशे में तो आपको कुछ दिखाई देगा? Of course not. So when there is a light in your room and if you look at the mirror, then only you can see your face. So the first thing which is required is light. Of course, light. In the presence of light and the object, you can see the image of that object. So if you are standing in front of the mirror, so what happened? Light in the room, some light object must be light emitting object, maybe sun or maybe electrical bulb or electrical tube light must be present in your room, and that will be the source of the light. And the light from everywhere, every corner of the room is striking the mirror, and after striking the mirror, some of the light goes here and there, and some also enters your eyes, through which images form. You can see that image due to reflection of the light. So this is the reason why we can see our image in the mirror. Instead of mirror, even if you look at the pond or any water area, so there also you see the reflection of your face, of your body. So what is that? That is not shadow, that is reflection. That is image formed due to reflection of light present around us. So we have studied that light goes in straight line. Light is the reason why reflection and shadows are formed. So this ends up our chapter, light, shadow and reflection. If you have any kind of doubt in this lesson, you can write in the comment. Okay, so what we have studied today, we have studied a type of objects: opaque, transparent, translucent. Other thing we have studied, pinhole camera, made up of cardboard, or natural pinhole camera is trees, shadow or light pass through the holes of the leaves, among the leaves. Okay. Next, properties of light. Properties of light. Luminous and non-luminous objects. Okay, so I end this lesson. Thank you.